2017 SS Camaro. Ooh-wee. Man, look at that cabin air filter, y'all. Here's the new one. Oh, all nice and clean. Look at all that stuff up in there, man. It's a lot of junk, pollen, stuff that causes allergies, man. You got a Generation 6 Camaro, and if you got allergies, or if your car got a bad smell to it, today, YouTube, I'm gonna show y'all how to change out your cabin air filter. You ain't gonna believe what kind of difference it's gonna make. And it don't even take that long. But before we do that, I wanna ask you a question. How would you like to know how to do an LS swap in an old school car that run like this? I'm satisfied, YouTube. 72 convertible Impala LS3 swap. Looking at maybe almost 600 horsepower on wiring. And we show y'all how to do the wiring, YouTube. Step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. LS swap, baby. Donks in the garage now, man. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Y'all ready? Let's get it, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Today, we're gonna be changing out the cabin air filter in this 2017 SS Camaro. So if you got a Generation 6 Camaro, this is for you. The Generation 5 is a little different, but I'm cleaning the car up. I'm getting ready for my wife's birthday. So I want the car to be looking good, smelling good, and fresh. And it's March, and the pollen is starting to go crazy. So that's another thing, man. If you got allergies, or if your car got a bad smell to it, you know what I'm saying? Your cabin air filter may need to be changed out. So let's dive right into it, YouTube. All right, let's get it. All right, YouTube. Here's the cabin air filter right here that I'm gonna use. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up the glove compartment, and I'm gonna take everything out the glove compartment. There go all my junk. So I'm just gonna get everything out. All right, YouTube, I emptied out the glove compartment. It's all empty. And the next thing that I'm gonna do is, you got a little hook right here. This little plastic thing. It's a little hook right here. It's a little bungee. It's a little bungee cord right here on the side. It's a little bungee cord, little looking thing. Oh, y'all see that right there? Yeah, let me go in and zoom in a little bit so you can see. Let me see. There it is right now. You see that little bungee cord? That has to come off. So I'm just gonna grab that and pull that and unhook it. And just let it go back up in there. All right, YouTube, now that I got the glove compartment empty, I'm gonna put the camera down, and I'm gonna grab this side with 2 hands and kind of pull this over and pull it out a little bit. And I'm gonna be careful not to break this, because this is plastic. You gotta do one side at a time, because you really can't press both sides in. So I'm gonna do this side, and I'll be right back with y'all, YouTube. It's like this right here. Pull this over. Let me use 2 hands. YouTube, now that I got this side out, I gotta get this side out. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna take a screwdriver, And I'm gonna take a rag and just wrap it around the screwdriver. That way I don't bend and break my plastic. So here's my screwdriver, and I'm just gonna stick that in there like that. And I'm gonna pry to the left to release this side. So let me put the phone down, I'll do that, be back in a minute. All right, YouTube. I got the glove compartment all the way down. And yeah, I know y'all see all that crap I got up in there. Look, I got stuff I got Pampers up in there. I got grandkids. Wow. Take that off, take that out. And let me show you where the air filter is at. All right, boom. That's where your air filter at right there. See that thing that says down? Yeah, D-O-W-N. You got clips right there. You got clips on the top and the bottom. So this is one clip at the top, and then this is a clip at the bottom. And you got the same thing on that side at the top and the bottom. So I'm gonna put the camera down and pull these clips, push these clips down, and pop this cover off, y'all. So be back in a minute. All right, y'all, this is what the cover looks like right here. This goes down. Yeah, it's got an arrow to it. So it goes back in just like that, boom. And the arrow is pointing down. And now this is the filter right there, man. So we just gotta slide that out. I know y'all see them leaves and stuff up in there. Yeah, man, you gotta make sure you change this thing out at least once a year. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't think I ever changed it since I had the car. So let me slide this out, and we'll be right back with y'all in a minute. Ooh-wee. Man, look at that cabin air filter, y'all. Look at all that stuff up in there, man. It's a lot of junk, pollen, stuff that causes allergies, man. That's really nasty, man. I'm really ashamed that I let it get that nasty. But we're gonna do something about it today. So let me get the other cabin air filter open, and we're gonna put it in the same orientation so that this arrow is pointing down, y'all. So we'll be back in a minute. Here's the new one. Boom. All nice and clean. Y'all see that? Boom, made in China. But yeah, we're gonna put it in the same orientation. Just slide it right up in there. Matter of fact, let's do that now. Yep. There we go. Let me get some light. All right, there you go. There you go. Just slide it up in there, y'all. Boom. That's it. Now it's in there. The arrow is pointing down. Y'all see the arrow pointing down? And it fits in there perfect. Now I just gotta pop this little cap back on right here so that this arrow is pointing down. So let me put the phone down. Let me see if I might be able to do it now. Let's see here. There you go. Bam. There you go. Got it up in there. Just snaps right in. Poop. Snap. Snap the other side in. Snap. Both of them are clipped. And then my retention little string broke, but it's okay. We don't gotta have that. Just pop that back up in there, just like that. That's it. My string right here, it broke, but we'll fix that at a later time, YouTube. All right, let me put my stuff back in, and I'll be back in a minute. If you like this video and you want to learn how to do more things to your Generation 6 Camaro, don't hesitate, man, to check out the playlist working on a Gen 6 Camaro. We cover maintenance, oil changes, brakes. We even put a rear end in this 2017 SS Camaro. So y'all make sure y'all check that out. Also, we do LS swaps. We got 2 convertibles. Matter of fact, let me show them. They right behind me. I got a 72 convertible Impala. That's the one that's got the LS swap. And I got the 75 convertible Caprice Classic right here. We got this car back running. This car hadn't run in 28 years. So if y'all haven't checked that out, man, hey, click on that link in the top right corner if you want to find out everything we had to do to get this car back running after 28 years, man. This sucker run like a sewing machine. Matter of fact, let me crank it up for y'all real quick, YouTube. How quick this thing crank up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see that? Y'all hear that? Run like a sewing machine. Watch this. Yeah, the 75 convertible Caprice crunk up quick, man. And then also we got right here, we got the 72 convertible Impala. Got the LS3 swap in it. We recently completed the LS3 swap. It runs like a scalding dog. I cranked that up for y'all too, man. Let me crank that up for y'all. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Check it out. There you go. Got this bad boy back running. So next thing next with this 75, we're gonna be looking at doing the front passenger fender and the hood. And we also got floor pans to replace in this car. So, you know, once we do all that, you know, hey, she'll be ready for the road for real. And then also on the 72, the next thing we gonna be doing, we got a rear end out of a 96 Impala SS. It's a positive traction, lower gear. We're gonna be putting that guy in the 72 Impala, and then we're gonna start preparing the body work, man. It really don't need a whole lot of body work, but it needs a small amount of body work because we're gonna be wrapping. We're gonna probably be wrapping, doing a wrap on this 72 convertible. So y'all keep that in mind, YouTube. So, man, if you interested in learning how to do this LS swap, man, look here. You come to the right place, man. You know, make sure you click that subscribe button, man. Stay tuned in, stay dialed in with the Chevys R Us Family, because your LS swap and your old school car is just as important as mine or as anybody else's. You working on an LS swap, you planning an LS swap, you got questions and answers, you need directions, tune in for Go Live Wednesdays. You know what I'm saying? At 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You got a whole community of people to support you and your LS swap and your old school car, YouTube. So we stick together. It's a family thing, man. Chevys R Us. Make sure y'all click that subscribe button and also drop me a comment and say I'm riding with Chevys R Us, Tone. YouTube.